Hey guys, welcome back to 2-Minute Coder. Today we're doing HackerRank problem Caesar Cipher. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. Alright, so this problem requires some knowledge about ASCII values and playing around with that. So let's get straight into it, right? So we're going to have a result array, which is just going to be our characters that's how we're going to process these rotations and go through each character. So for C in S, if C is alpha, which means if this is an alpha bit, then we do our processing. If it's not an alpha bit, then we simply just append to our result array, okay? Because we need to skip these apostrophes and etc. All right, so what we're going to want to do here is define an offset first. So if C is lowercase, that means that our offset is going to be 97. And if C is an uppercase, then our offset is going to be 65. Okay, this is basically just 97 is where the lowercase alphabet starts in the ASCII index, and 65 is where the capital letters start in the ASCII index. All right, so once we have that offset, let's get our character value, which is going to be this, the ordinal value of C minus this offset. So if our character is lowercase b, for example, that means that the ordinal value is going to be 98, right? So we're going to get a character value of 1, basically, okay? And then let's rotate this, so do the rotating operation, and that basically is just going to be our character value plus this rotation, and in the modulus of 26. All right, this is ensuring that if this index overflows, then it's starting from 0, right? So for example, if we have a character value or an ordinal value of 25, right, and a rotation of 1, so that means that Z has to be rotated once, then we want our rotated value to be 0, because that's going to point to lowercase a, right? So 26 modulus 26 is 0. If our rotation was 2, which means that we have to point to B, then this rotator is going to be 1, right? But we're not done yet. After we get this rotated value, we have to convert it back to this ASCII value. All right, so our new character value is then going to be rotated plus back this offset, right? And then we just append. So result dot append this new character, right? Sorry, this isn't going to be the character. Our character is going to be a character with this value, right? Adding back the offset, right? And then when we're outside of this for loop, we are just going to return a no space separated join of our result. So let's run this code. Great. And submit. Great. So hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe for more.